Hey guys, Hulyan and Maya! Wow, the Ferrari car is here! The red Ferrari! Alright, so as you can see, we have two cars here. The green Corvette Stingray and the red LaFerrari. Hulyan, can I ask you a favor?
Yes.
Can you switch the cars on?
Got it.
Both of them?
Got it. Okay, we don't know which one's the real car. Yes, we do know. Okay, we're going to take the Godzilla. Godzilla! Okay. Godzilla. Okay, Maya. You're ready to go.
Maya is driving already. Maya, don't go off-road. It's not an off-road RC car. Get it, Maya? Go, Hulyan, drive. You almost hit each other.
Yeah, we're good drivers, right?
Yes, you are. Both of you are good drivers. Okay, chase Maya's car. Police, police. Maya, faster, faster. Faster, Maya. Hulyan is chasing you. Oh, he got you.
You know, I am the car. I said
Cool, huh, Maya?
yeah, I like it.
Is it fun to drive?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm almost running out of steam.
Steam? It's not a train.
Okay, I'm running out of gas.
Okay, gas, not steam.
Yes! Yes!
Chase Maya, Hulyan. Maya, chase Hulyan.
Okay, I'm running out of steam. Maya. Change? Let's change. Changing.
Okay. Switching cars. Oh no! Okay, Maya is driving the green car now, and Hulyan is driving the red car. Oh!
The missile is getting. I'm so good. Yeah. Go!
Hulyan is chasing the green car on foot. Silly boy!
You should not do that.
Faster, Maya, faster! Good car, hey? Fast! It's a fast sports car. A Chevy Corvette Stingray. Oh, you hit the red car. Hulyan is tired now. Oh no, a collision. Are you running out of gas, Maya? Not yet? Okay, drive, Maya. Drive, Hulyan. 1 more minute and we are done. Okay guys, we are done. Time's up, time's up.
Oh no! Sorry, it was out, so you can have it.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, I'm got to. Okay. Grandma got little toys now.
Wow, it's a nice looking car.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah, it's big.
It's styrofoam.
Awesome,
Oh,
Hulyan.
now I can feel it.
All new 7th generation Corvette.
Yeah.
Corvette Stingray.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice interior.
Yeah.
Nice seats.
In the back, it's just black and stuff.
Okay.
Nothing there.
I like the paint scheme.
Yeah.
Black and green.
And here's the antenna.
Yeah, cool. Okay. Hey boy, Hulyan. Where are you? There he is. Maya girl, are you digging? Maya is digging.
I was holding it running.
Alright.
Get out of me.
Good balancing, Hulyan.
Hey, I found it hard sand, but it gets broken a lot. Okay. I'm making a giant thing. I'm making a mountain.
What are you making, Maya?
A mountain. Tell me when it's done. It's done. Okay.
What is that? Stick?
Yeah.
What is that stick for?
Flag.
A flag?
Yeah.
What flag?
Any flag.
American or
No.
Philippine flag?
Maya flag.
Maya's flag.
Yeah, but she's the one that's digging.
Okay.
I'm gonna find one more stick. Go, go.
Maya. Climbing on the slide. She slipped. Climbing up on the slide. That is silly girl, Maya.
And I did it.
Maya did it.
And I did it.
Hulyan.
Man, I did it.
Okay, slide, Maya. Woohoo!
Okay, I want the harder thing. But make sure it's high.
With Hulyan?
Let me do it one more
Huh?
time. Yeah.
Okay.
Look. Let's go like this.
What are you doing, Hulyan?
I tried to do this. Stop it!
What are you doing?
Hey, Daddy.
Getting rid of the sand?
Oh yeah, but Daddy, can you push us really high and fast? Yeah, like
Okay.
Daddy Jesse did. It was so fun.
Okay. Careful, guys, careful. Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Hold on, Superman. You're going to the ground. Oh, yeah.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
I love it.
Maya is loving it. She's loving the moment.
I am flying.
Maya is flying like a bird.
I feel like. Okay, I just stopped the awesome thing.
Hulyan is getting crazy. Okay, it's more relaxed now. Not that high anymore.
Oh yeah, I hate it. Maya, can we switch our spots, Maya?
Why?
I want to switch.
Why?
Because I like to switch. But how
Okay.
are we going to switch? Switch this. Switch while we're moving. Like when an airplane on the roof while it's flying. Right? Oh, try a switch. My side's not scared. Maya, help me now. Switch time.
Wait until it stops moving, Hulyan.
It's gonna take
The swing.
forever. Oh, there. I think this is what enough to do. Is this? Switch back.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, switch now. Switch.
So scary.
Switch spots.
Okay, we're ready for some more high lift.
More action.
More oh, that's only fun.
More swing action. More swinging action.
Let's go! Like high in the sky, babe. I think I should. Megan, ride a lightning bulb. You're full throttle. Awesome. So I'm eating my eyeballs. Look, I am flying. I'm flying out of space.
What, Hulyan?
Dad, look. See? Good, right?
Can you jump from there?
Yeah. Look. Yep.
Yeah! Awesome! Show me your ninja skills.
Got oh.
Rolling over.
And then. They're on sideways, Daddy.
Awesome.
That's
Jump.
yeah.
Yeah!
Scary.
Super high. Super mega high. Hulyan, what are you doing there? Hey, careful. The swing might hit you.
I don't need to. Yeah, because he is fast. I'm good, right?
Ninja skills.
I'm fast, right?
Yeah, ninja skills.
Yeah. Super ninja skills. Right? I feel good, right?
Yeah.
Without my hands touching.
What happened, Hulyan?
And shoe, look.
What happened?
Look.
It's gone. Okay, chase Maya, Hulyan. Chase her.
Stop it! No! I'm not letting anybody to chase. I'm not chasing Mama. No! Police! 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 Police!
Chase that red car. Okay, chase Maya's car. Police, police. Maya, faster, faster. Faster, Maya. Hulyan is chasing you. Oh, he got you.